Well, hello there, welcome back by the final update. The truck is done, the air can is done. We have one and D-Shock here, Cooper and Mateo, Dr. Us and Albert. And yes, it drives, and the steering, since you don't have a front steering, it's a little bit hard, but the trailer moves on its own. Also, this goes up, and you can, there goes. Put it like that. Sorry, I have to do it with one hand. So overall, I love it. Can't wait for the other builds. So if you want to see more, help me out and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell. Like, share, comment, and help me reach 500 subs so I can buy more. And if we reach 500 subs, I will buy Castle Noctonia. So want to see that happen? Hit that like and hit the subscribe. Keep your dreams up. Till next time.